Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH. Baby, I'll be a mede asida kesiye emao. Yeko to aba Ghana yeko to aba na enra na me jam say I can't be prouder than now. Me de me say si me bo na enra me ka che Nyankopon say me da asese why me Ghana ni ai wanya me o kuro su bi ni ankwase asem o mo ye no why me Ghana ni because enra one person make us a door in defeat. We're changing the dynamics of politics. Bawumia. Because and Ryan can abane kran no. Ya Bawumia by say, Masa media yantetemesa. Some also penche bi kuko so nkofo ba bewu no. Mejamu. Yekotimra.
The media. Following yesterday's presidential and parliamentary elections, Ghanaians at home and abroad have been sitting on tenterhooks awaiting the outcome of the election. Let me say that the data from our own internal collation of the election results indicate that former President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, has won the presidential election decisively. The NDC has also won the parliamentary election, even though we await final collation for a number of seats. However, I believe ultimately that these will not change the overall outcome. I have just called His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to congratulate him as President-elect of the Republic of Ghana. I said during the signing of the peace pact that I was sure of two things: Ghana will win and peace will reign. The people of Ghana have spoken. The people have voted for change at this time, and we respect that decision with all humility. I thank God Almighty for how far He has brought me, and I submit to His will. I am making this concession speech before the official announcement by the Electoral Commission to avoid further tension and preserve the peace of our country. It is important that the world investor community continues to believe in the peaceful and democratic character of Ghana. These are our most important assets. Ghana is more important than our individual political ambitions, and we must always put Ghana first. While this was not our desired outcome, I say this is part of the democratic process. We put our best foot forward in the contest, explaining our policies and programs. However, it is sometimes the case that the voter would have other ideas. I am very proud of the efforts of our campaign team, and I thank them very much. I assure His Excellency John Dramani Mahama of my full support in the transition process. As committed Democrats, we pledge to ensure that we have a very smooth transition so that the business of government will continue seamlessly. The MPP would offer the needed support to the new government in a very responsible way. Ladies and gentlemen, we have conceded defeat like any consummate democrat would do. But we have not abandoned the fight to transform Ghana and expand opportunities to all sections of our society. We will not be a disruptive opposition, even though we would subject government actions and policies to strict scrutiny in the interest of our beloved nation. Our MPs, I am convinced, will do a thorough job to advance our democracy and ensure that the citizenry gets the best out of the democratic dispensation. To the rank and file of the New Patriotic Party, I know the feeling hurts, given that this is not the result you worked for. I know you would feel there is darkness ahead. That is natural, especially when in all sincerity you gave the assignment your all. But I assure you that we will regroup and come back even stronger. We will take stock of events and pick lessons to guide us going forward. In the interim, I urge you all to look into the future with optimism and hope. We may have lost the battle, but not the war. Let me also use this occasion to congratulate all MPs elect, with special emphasis on those from the MPP side. I would like to use this opportunity to thank His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic of Ghana and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, for his support and guidance over the years. I extend sincere thanks to the First Lady, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, for her support and wise counsel throughout my tenure as Vice President and during the 2024 electioneering campaign. I would like to thank my wife, Haja Samira Bawumia, who has gone over and above the call of duty in her support for me. My thanks also go to my children, my brothers and sisters, and the entire Bawumia family for their support. I also thank my running mate, Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, and his wife Alma, for their strong support in this campaign. I am eternally grateful to our revered traditional rulers, religious leaders, and the generality of Ghanaians for their support. I thank former President Kufuor, the Council of Elders, executives, and the rank and file of the New Patriotic Party for their solid support. To all Ghanaians who voted for me and the MPP to implement our proposed bold solutions, I thank you for the confidence you reposed in us. To all Ghanaians who didn't vote for me and the MPP in this particular election, I thank you for considering my proposals, even though you exercised your right to choose by settling on the eventual winner. Let me also thank the Electoral Commission for overseeing yet another transparent and fair election in Ghana. I also thank the security services for their role in maintaining the peace. My thanks also goes to the media for their excellent reportage. Ghana has won. Thank you very much, and may God bless you, and God bless our homeland, Ghana. Thank you.
Ghana, when I mean who said, my papa be sent in a Nyankopon de me bass because me special. Nyankopon to me for me to maybe a special, just a Ghana. Oh, yeah, Ghana now show me be proud of a Ghanaian. Me pacho NDC MPP no, omo Ghana for, ye Ghana for. Na kanye membiem, ye Bawumia ko jina na me say for once ye benya asempapa efi Africa. Na ye nya asempapa efi Africa na Ghana. For the first time, says certain governments, incumbents, who are losing electoral commission, all my baba kokra no about say, Miami make calculation, who say, Mare, and Timodia mefa. Hey, I'm so wow. Papa Yams, the campaigner, very civil. Why yani papa kokra room, who send a near beer. Nana meti na ensembia NDC phobi kana nipa ne kra nam say ne nkrase sem munyae sem ase ade weye papa panimu a sabe wo bobra say na wa hu say sene ko say I will never even allow myself say one blood should drop for Ghana it megemu wache ye say abatu no enye do and die yo eye bibi keke eye sabe mato me wini a fine na dia ne ntokwa ye pese e kono jimie ba no wache ye se na nie bie hey vice president Bawumia I salute you wo a wo hwe me so salute him because waye nia sebe enkofo ntimenye wako okopa o se anie we na mba baye mu yie sabe wache ye se ye Ghana scale opeso owia opeso ye ni empa oyo okay ni suba nyina sechada na nakwa mbedi akoso se boy okay enakra me ne no ye kwa campiski ye kwa wibi watch ase ye man motoma ya fine mo atoma ya fine mo na mbebre but the bottom line is that yewa Bawumia wa bie Ghana fuani na mo hu say election is not do and die it wo jimi wo ye say ukoku obi anako probi no suanyansa na hu se ne odi anim ne kura no wajemu eno so na make cha yewra John Mahama president elect said call your people to order and tell them to stop the acts of violence that they are perpetrating and yet fair so opponent then jemu make sure say your people too are cool I expose GHFM member so subscribe mami here the tumpa na usaka bi manu esi bye bye.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.